Look what came in the mail.
Thank you guys so much. We never even thought we'd have 1,000 subscribers. The fact that we have 100,000 is just insane.
We definitely don't feel deserving. We're super thankful for this community. We love that this is our jobs and that we get to be a part of all this. So thank you guys so much.
About a year ago, we did a YouTube income exposed video, and we had about 50,000 subscribers at the time. And just 1 year later, we've doubled, and so we thought we'd update you on our YouTube income. So you may be wondering, why are they sharing this information with us? This seems a little bit taboo. Well, Sarah had a quote. Actually, she was quoted in CNBC, an article, and she said, "We weren't really sure where home design or flipping or photography or YouTube would take us. But we knew by putting ourselves out there, it would open more opportunities."
Thanks for quoting me.
So, do you want to read your own quote? Okay.
No, it's okay. So the idea for us has always been to put ourselves out there. No matter what we're doing, we're going to work hard at it and just see what comes from it. We're not necessarily the 5-year plan kind of people. We definitely love to have goals and work towards them, but for us, we always want to be adaptable and just show some grit in whatever we're doing. But anytime we put ourselves out there, it always pays off. So YouTube has been huge for us. And so we just want to share with you guys and hopefully encourage you, if that's something you're interested in doing, that with a lot of hard work, it's totally possible.
Before we get any further into the video, we want to talk about today's video sponsor, Paint Your Life.
Beautiful.
What do you think?
It's amazing. I love it.
Do you remember when we took this picture in the sunflower field?
At Paint Your Life, you can get a professional hand-painted portrait created from any photo at a truly affordable price.
Check this out. Isn't that amazing?
So pretty. So what we did is we sent in a real picture of us, and they have a professional artist who painted this, but I actually made requests. Like, I had them take out my daughter's hand out of her mouth. I had them add in a few more sunflowers. So I did requests and they did it. And you can even take pictures of combine photos of people, loved ones who aren't around anymore, or add in pets or other people, things like that. You can hand in multiple photos and they will combine it into a painting for you, which I just think is so cool. We chose this one because I think that this time in our life with our girls, as young as they are, is just really special. And I think that in years to come, this will just continue to be really special and important to me. But yeah, they have so many artists. You can choose your artist. She signed it down here for us, which I think is really special. This one is an oil painting, but you can choose like a pencil sketch. There's lots of different options. Their website is really user-friendly, so you just send in a picture and it's super easy. So I think that these would make really great gifts for people for Christmas or anniversaries. I think parents would love them. It is such a very personal gift you could give someone, really thoughtful. So if you are interested, we will leave a link below with a special discount code for you.
Let's get back into the video. So when we first started our channel, we didn't really know what we were doing. We just were putting ourselves out there, as Sarah was saying. And for the first year, we made nothing from YouTube. We just were making videos because we enjoyed it. But around a year after we started our YouTube channel is when we started to make money from it. And so then that second year, we started making money from YouTube. And by the end of our second year, we had almost 50,000 subscribers, which was crazy. And if you watched that last video, our income total for 50,000 subscribers was around $38,000 total. And we were really happy with that at the time. That was great side hustle income. But what we've been able to do over the past year is turn it into a full-time income for us.
Let's get into it. So the first way that you can make money on YouTube is through something called Adsense. So Adsense is when an advertiser will pay YouTube to play their ad on a creator's video, and then the creator will get a cut of that or a portion of that.
So this income is entirely dependent on the number of views that your videos get. So if you have a really well-performing video, you're going to get a lot of money, and if you have poor-performing videos, you're not going to make as much. So this is very inconsistent, and we're going to show you in a second just how unreliable it is.
So our grand total for Adsense from November 11, 2021 to November 11, 2022 is $70,610.12, which is a number that we're super happy with, we're super grateful for. It is definitely inconsistent, not income that you want to rely on, because you can see here how quickly it can drop off. So you might have really good days and you might have really bad days, and it all kind of averages out, but that is a portion of what we are paid from YouTube each year. So that's a nice chunk of it.
Right now it's the largest portion for us. Depending on the YouTuber you talk to, this could actually be their smallest amount of income. For us, it's our largest and what we're focused on right now, but other YouTubers will do like courses and big brand sponsorships, things like that. we're still a little guy. We're like the middle class creators.
The goal is to, over time, to not rely on this, and this is just bonus cash. Eventually, we hope that this is our smallest number and that we can make more money percentage-wise from sponsorships and courses and things like that. But right now, it is our largest number.
Okay, so the next stream of income for YouTubers is typically brand sponsorships. And our total for the past year of brand sponsorships comes to a total of $17,220. Which is also a significant increase from last year, so we're very happy about that. Brands typically pay creators more for sponsorships because there's a trust factor there and a personal recommendation from that creator to their audience. So another closely related income source for us this year has actually been something called user-generated content. It's a new term that's popping up, but basically it's where a brand will pay us as creators to make content for their social media or website. So if a brand sees that we make quality content and they want us to be kind of the face of their brand, they will hire us to make content for them. So that actually came to a total of $9,100 for the past year that we've made doing that. So what's cool about user-generated content is that you don't have to have a massive following to start doing it. If you have quality content, you can find ways for companies to hire you through sites like Upwork to create content for them. So that's a really cool thing that I think there's a lot of future opportunity in.
Another thing that we added in this year to our YouTube income is our ebook. So we made a flipping guide on how to flip almost anything. We'll link that below if you're interested in that. So we sell that on our website, so that is an additional income that comes from YouTube. And the total for the sales of that ebook this year were $4,472.
And we don't really sell that too hard on our channel. That's just an additional income source and way for people to get all the information we know in a concentrated little book.
Yeah, and we might be making more of those in the future, but that was a good starter for us this year and definitely paid off income-wise. So the last way that we make money through YouTube this year is through something called affiliate marketing, which is when we put links below our videos of things that we use or like, and if you click on that link and you buy that product, we will get a commission from that. So this year we made $651 through Amazon affiliate marketing.
Which isn't a lot, but it's something, and other creators, like we said before, hit those things a lot harder. So some of those creators, that's actually their biggest source of income. For us, it's our smallest. So
yeah, our channel has never really been about like promoting a lot of products. So that's why that number is a little smaller for us, but for some people that can be really successful.
Especially if you're promoting like camera gear and expensive stuff, then your commissions are going to be, more significant. So,
which, by the way, if you're curious about our camera gear, we'll put a link below.
So our grand total for what we've made from YouTube in the past year with 100,000 subscribers is $101,701. We passed the 6 figures mark, which is crazy.
Crazy.
Never thought that would happen with the YouTube channel.
So we don't tell you all of that so that you can pat us on the back and congratulate us. We definitely want this to be an inspiring place on the internet because we believe that anyone can really do this. We really think that all it really takes is hard work. You can do it with your phone and with iMovie. You don't have to have a lot of fancy equipment. I think that for us, the most important thing is just working hard at it and being consistent and doing something that's a little different. So just taking your own spin on things and just being yourself.
Yeah, I think that's a good point. If you're looking to start a YouTube channel and you want to try to grow, you got to be different. So you have to have something that sets you apart. I think for us at the beginning, we had a lot of the camera gear from our wedding photography business, so we were able to have high quality videos from the start. So that helped us out, but I think the bigger thing is using your brain to be creative in your video concepts and how you edit and that sort of thing. So, which takes time to learn and develop. So the best way to get started is to just start making videos.
But I would say that that second part is way more important than having fancy gear. I think that your iPhone is plenty, but what Jamie's saying is like using your brain and creativity, like that's way more valuable on YouTube than like having quality video.
I'm going to show you guys our setup really quick so you can just kind of see what we have. It's still pretty basic. So all we have here is our big old light, which makes it look nice and soft and natural. We got our camera here. Pretty basic. We'll link all this stuff below. Sarah looking good, and then a little backlight there. That's all it takes to have really nice looking stuff. So if anything, I hope that if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, that is encouraging to you, that you should keep going, give it a shot. It's totally worth it. That was kind of our philosophy when we started our channel. Back to Sarah's quote again, putting yourself out there, seeing what happens. We thought if it does work out, this has much more potential to grow and scale than anything we've done in the past. where you're just trading your time for money.
So that's something that we are super passionate about on this channel, is just ways to grow your passive income, how to invest, ways to grow your business.
And YouTube's not passive, but there are days when we're not working that we're making money. So to me, that makes it all worth it. If you have any questions for us, we'd love to answer them. We love talking about YouTube, and we'd love to be able to help people grow their own YouTube channels in the future potentially. So let us know your questions and if you'd like us to talk more on this topic, because we love it. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.